Quincy, how do you welcome them? Oh, that was very long. But what did he say? Welcome? Parrot Paradise. That's right. Welcome to Parrot Paradise. Listen one more time. Quincy, welcome. Ah, very good. The bird park is indeed a parrot paradise. But before coming to the park, Quincy used to stay in a farm. Once I stand in the shade, the sun is gone. Okay, Quincy used to stay in a farm. His best friend was a cat. Oh, and every morning he will be woken up by the very noisy rooster. Very good. He can also do high-tech sound, like the sound of a ringing telephone. Oh, one of those old classic ringtones, huh? Ring it. Now he can also do human sound. Sound that you and I could make. Now children, now is your chance to participate. Listen carefully to Quincy. If you think you can copy the sound that he made, raise your hand. Get my attention. I will pick you. Not yet. Wait first. Oh, the hands start coming out. Huh? Listen to Quincy first. If you can do it right on stage, you will go back with something nice. Okay? Please do not come running down the stairs. If you come running down the stairs, I will not pick you. Huh? You stay in your seat, you raise your hand, I will pick you. Okay? This is only for the children. Huh? Sorry, adults. Children's spiritual. Okay? Okay, Quincy, that's the first human sound. Whenever he is sad, you can hear him cry. Cry. Okay, the young man in the blue t-shirt, I see you. You are very fast. Please come down. Slowly. Don't run. Yeah, I'm always worried when kids run down the stairs, they might trip and end up rolling down the stairs. We don't want that to happen. Come inside, young man. Come, join me here. Not in the shade, but shake hands. Very good. What's your name?
Jurong.
How old are you? 8 years old. Took a while. It's okay. You can cry like Quincy. You listen one more time, huh? Quincy, show this young man how you cry. So sad. Okay, I want you to be as sad as Quincy, huh? You look in front. I will hold the mic for you. You look in front and you cry. Oh, very good. One more time. Louder. Give him a big hand, everyone. Well done. Open your mouth. I'll reward you. Smart boy. Usually the kids will open. Very good. We got a nice postcard there for you. Thank you very much. Very cool. Okay. Quincy, when he's sad, he cries. But when he's happy, you can hear him laugh. Quincy, how do you laugh? Okay. I'm looking for a young lady now. I see the young lady in the pink. Yeah. Come down this way. Oh. Okay, down this way. Okay, the next one. Okay, since we got a lot of children this afternoon, we will do 2 more. Okay, now usually I only do 2, but since the school holidays, lots of kids around, we'll do 2 more. Hello. What's your name?
Tanya.
How old are you?
5.
5 years old. Very good. Can you laugh like Quincy? You can. Okay. You look in front and you laugh. Oh, very good. One more time. One last time. Even louder. One last time. Give her a big hand, everyone. Thank you very much. Good job. Got something for you there. Okay. Next one. This one, Quincy actually copied from us. Whenever one of us catches a cold, we will actually sneeze, right? Quincy, how do we sneeze? Very good. Okay, the a bit tough. The next one is really, really tough, but we'll give it a try. Even I had problems doing the next one. But for now, we see this young lady can sneeze just like Quincy. Hello. Come, shake hands. Very good. What's your name?
Audrey.
How old are you, Audrey?
5 years old.
5 years old. Very good. Can you sneeze like Quincy? You can. Okay, I want you to stand over here. You look in front and you sneeze.
Achoo.
Oh, very good. One more time. Louder.
Achoo.
Give her a big hand, everyone. Thank you very much. That was very good. Okay, last one. Like I mentioned, this one is a little tough, but we'll give it a try. Huh? Okay, Quincy here is a very cheeky bird. Whenever he sees a pretty girl, he will whistle. Quincy, how do you whistle? Very good. Who wants to whistle? Any child wants to whistle? Oh, okay. All the way up there in yellow, young man with the glasses, yellow t-shirt, please come down. Oh, good. Today we actually have kids from out there participating. Normally the kids out there are very